So today I'm going to review amazing essential oil roll-ons. It's a blend of essential oil or if you have any kind of sleep disorder. So these are 100% natural, there are no chemicals. Basically the deep sleep roll-on, it regulates your sleep cycle and it is easy to carry, it is travel friendly, and yeah, I totally love this product. The aroma of this product is just amazing and it gives me a very calm and relaxing kind of feeling. This one has cedarwood, chamomile. Now chamomile is something which relaxes you. A lot of people drink chamomile tea before they go to bed, so that is also something you can try. And then it has lavender oil, geranium oil and grapeseed oil. I like to apply it on my wrist, on my forehead, and finally I apply it under my skin, and the aroma helps me to relax, sleep. Now like I said, chamomile helps you get a good sleep because it has a sweet smell. Cedarwood actually helps you to relax and soothe your nervous system, and lavender has antidepressive effect. Have beautiful aroma and really helps me to relax, stay calm and have a good night's sleep. It helps you to release neurochemicals which works as a natural sedative, and that's why you can have a good deep sleep at night. In the description box, and let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed using this product. And it's 100% natural, it is not addictive, you can use it every day as many times as you like. It has worked for me and I'm sure it can work for you guys also.